Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. My name's Sammy Garrett, and I am the Assistant Coordinator for Departmental Initiatives in the Swarthwaite Scholarship and Leadership House. And I'm here to tell you about our Assistant Coordinator Apartments with Housing and Dining Services at Kansas State University. We provide furnished apartments for all assistant coordinators. That also includes free laundry, utilities, and Wi-Fi in all of the apartments. Our assistant coordinators are also able to have a pet or partner live with them, or you can have both if that's your preference. And we are about to show you some of the layouts of our apartments we have here.
Hello, my name is Dylan Richardson. I use he, him, his pronouns, and I'm the Assistant Coordinator of Goodnow Hall. Today we're going to take a tour of my domicile.
The Goodnow apartment has a spacious living room with built-in storage. There's a bathroom, and a kitchen equipped with a stove, oven, refrigerator, and a microwave. The large bedroom also has a lot of storage space and a queen-sized bed.
Hi, my name is Courtney Taylor. I'm the Assistant Community Coordinator in Jardine, specifically in the Denison neighborhood. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and welcome to my apartment. The Jardine Assistant Community Coordinator apartment has an open concept living room and kitchen area equipped with stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and sink. There is a spiral staircase up to the second story where you can find a bedroom, storage space, and a second entrance. There is also a roomy bathroom and in-unit laundry. Hi, my name is Maddie Knack. I'm the ACC of Moore Hall. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and this is my apartment.
The Moore ACC apartment has an open concept living room and kitchen area equipped with a fridge, a stove, a sink, and an elongated counter. There is also a bedroom with storage space and a bathroom with a tub and a shower.
Hi, my name is Steph. I use she, her, hers pronouns. Welcome to the Honors House. Today I'll be giving you a tour of my grad apartment. Here's the living room and kitchenette area for the Honors House apartment. There is a full-size refrigerator, a sink, and a microwave. Although there is not a stove or oven in the apartment, the Honors House is equipped with a full kitchen I have access to. The bedroom is spacious and includes a large walk-in closet with an attached bathroom.